All right, friends, welcome back for our writing component of the day. I am sitting here in front of my big chart paper, but what you need to do for this assignment is locate a blank sheet of paper. I believe there's one somewhere in your materials, but I think we might have used it. Anyway, if you can use the back of a scratch piece of paper, anything will work. So if you need to find that, please pause the video and go find just a regular white blank sheet of paper, okay? And when you come back, then we're going to do a drawing tutorial because we're going to be doing some writing that corresponds with the drawing, all right? So, welcome back. We're going to start by drawing a circle. You can use regular pencil and then use a black marker or a color pencil to draw over the top of it, but if you use pencil first, then you can erase and fix it. Okay, so step one, just draw a circle. If you need to use a round object to help you trace a circle, that's perfectly fine. Alrighty, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a tail. Ta-da! Okay, the last thing you're going to do, well, actually, two more things. You're going to draw fishy lips and some fins. And if you want, you can put a little eyeball. And there you go. Okay? That's how you draw your fish. Now, if you want to get creative, you can use bubble wrap, and you can color the bubble wrap with a marker, and then you can stick it on here, and it kind of looks like scales, okay? I don't have any bubble wrap, and you may not have bubble wrap, so what you can do is just pick a color, color your fish, whatever color you want. I have markers, so I'm not gonna go crazy, but pretend like I'm coloring nicely with my colored pencils or my crayons. Okay. So you're going to take much more time to do a nice job. Maybe his tail will be a different color. Maybe purple. Purple goes nicely with blue. And let's see. Maybe I'll give him green lips. And last but not least, green orange eyeball. There we go. Alright, so there's my fishy. Now that I'm done with that, you may need to pause the video to finish your coloring. But once you're done with that portion, you're going to open up your September writing packet to this page that says My Fish. Okay? My Fish. And the first thing you're going to do is write My Fish is, and then tell me what color it is. Okay? So, my M-Y space F-I-S-H space is blue. Okay, so my fish is blue. My fish is blue. Next thing, my fish can. So you can get creative with what you're going to answer that question is. Okay, so think about it for a second. What can your fish do? Jump, sing, dance, spin around in circles, swim, eat. You decide. You're going to pick a verb, an action word that it can do. Okay, I'm going to write swim. So I'm going to write my on the next line down. Start your next sentence, my space, my fish can space C-A-N space swim, period, period. You can pause this and write what I wrote. My fish can swim. Next one, my fish lives in the... Where does your fish live? My fish lives in the ocean. So I'm going to write ocean. M-Y space F-I-S-H-L-I-V-E-S. Space, I-N space, T-H-E space, ocean, O-C-E-A-N, period. My fish lives in the ocean. Okay? And then just put by, and then your name, down at the bottom. Okay? When you're done with that, cut out this little writing piece. And glue it to the bottom of your little fishy. If you have construction paper at home, this would be a good time to use that construction paper. So cut it out like this, glue it to the bottom of your fish. Let me show you an example that I have here. Okay, here we go. So right there, it's an example of some fishies and their little section down there. Alrighty, my fish is, it can, my fish likes to, it is, my fish can. So there you go. When you're done, send me a picture. Alrighty, you did all of your handwriting packet, so that's finished. The last thing that we have to do today is take out your brand new math packet. Math packet week 4, grade 1, 928 through 92. Write your name on it because it's brand new. You don't want it to get lost or mixed up with anyone else's. And then you're going to open to page 1. Okay? We are doing fact families of 7. Make sure you write your name at the top. The date is already there for you. And this would be a good time to go grab your manipulatives, beans, counting cubes, paper clips, forks, whatever works. I have a whole bunch of pencils right here, so I just keep using those. But you're going to find all the different combinations of 7. Okay, so if you have an adult near you, have them set a timer, and you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pencils. All right, and you're going to push go, and then you're going to look at the first one. You have 7 in one part and nothing over here, and you want 7. That's the whole. So if you already have 7, you don't need any more. You can automatically put a 0 there. Okay. Looking over here, there's a 6. How many more do you need to equal 7? Okay, so here is 6. If I add 1 more, does that equal 7? It does. So 1, 6 and 1 makes 7. And then just continue like that and do as many as you possibly can in 90 seconds. Okay, when you're done with that, turn to the back of that page, which is page 2. And you're going to use the dominoes to write the number bonds. All right, so you have 3 and you have 5. So those are the 2 numbers that go here. What you don't know is the whole. You can count all the dots if you want to, or if you already know off the top of your head, then you can write the answer, which is 8. Alrighty, so go ahead and keep working on those. The next one is 1 and 6. All you have to do is count all the dots, or you can add 1 and 6. The total is 7. And keep going in that fashion. Okay? When you get down to here, what you're going to do, they give you the total, and you have to find the missing domino. So you want 7, but you only have 5. How many more do you need? 2. So you're going to draw 2 on the domino piece, like that. So draw 2 dots to represent 2 like that, and then do the same thing over here. You have 1, but you need 7 more. So draw 7 dots on the domino face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just like that, and then continue on. And that is all there is for math this week, or today. All right, so next video will be a read aloud, and then you're done for today.